Adom TV Badwam Jumade no esone afofie da o maka cho sama munko ba bia ye na dey for once ye hu ofie mema no tissue mon tena fie na mo experience nkora no enye better sa nti de hu bia next time we hu say de obe manage oba no e bre too much ene nko ba bia meeting bia nka dem ene holiday to ahome nyame hira meda mo asepa so fi ahoma chembe pem sa abre mugu so hwe na mi anka sama de papa bi ai me ma me ye otiko afisa jaba wa hase ya affirmative action bill ze ai law no ze mampani de ne za sha se de na bibia wie mu de amaye me ndi sankomo we ya huhia pa wo yo ba nko ade atie ya na mema ne bi ye jealous kakra je se na day maka ya sha che e man so wonim dia betumi so de aka mema no ho yetimi shape of my enunti any bill ya ene ya je atumi obapa no peme mu akwa be
me you so hima
ya dio ya mi shram ken ne holiday de san ka da wo pem na adwojo ho den so du komo ati sei ya wo de man ho ne ma no da wakoma so pa yeti se parliament aye ne e wo so wono mo eye ne ye twen mampani so wono so ede ni nsabehye ase nyame adom wonya de ahye ase ti wa de wo so firi mampani mu na ebe feel ne say
okay me da ase me pese mi chia mo ahwefo
sa
happy Kwame Nkrumah birthday
sa ono antia na ne
and yetimi ye ka independence a yentimi kan without Kwame Nkrumah na fahudi asem e ma ka ho bi daye na oson ye no ye nananom son ye no amemu amama nti na ene aye holiday a mashada abaha a me chef white no
sa ya nkunim difo
a ma chef white no me celebrate Kwame Nkrumah ideas a odi baye about fahudi ene affirmative action no so a president de nsa ahye ho no enti Ghana fo nyina me maye nyina ayiko eye omampanyi asede say odi nsa be hye because democracy is about numbers e man so na do so sen e mema enti te say o kan ye no ye wo mu ache nso ne ye fata se be ya mamma no ye ntimi anye da ye no of independence say ye nyina ye be ye free no e ma anye free sa e be si ne eni nti ye de nyame ase ene ye da omo a omo nyina omo aye adwuma afa sa bill yi ho from 31st December enye na asem e be si ne enipa omo aye adwuma anti Rose Kuti na bantu no mo Shila Minka Preku Hilary Gbedema Mrs. omo do so meet me more nti so mama obidin a omo aye adwuma ye ma omo money yo na current minister no so ebebo na baso say oba ye nche nso wetimi epushi ama parliament there be your friend say honorable Nana Dakwa ono ye the current minister for gender nti ono no de call cabinet or de call parliament president waka we huje gumu a wa assent nti Nana Dakwa honorable mpacho ye da wase jumaden any technical committee the coalition of women obia any parliament uze mema ne do so say ma no ntinka o mema na anto abano ama bill na nka emem ai ene da president so
so no na dey affirmative action bill ene dey na say de bia na ye kan before you know be enim eno ye dey
simply put e pepeyo say equal opportunities any justice can be me na mentimi kebi ye ko baby a e wo say ma wo ho na mema wo ho parliament as you see omo ye 275 so ma na ye 40 pe omo ko parliamentary primaries bebre kra lusu nti appointments so e wo see hu pepeyo justice enye pepe nti mema wo ha na ma wo ha na nyina ye ko pepepe to shape the country.
It's just a pepepe yenti emfa ma pepepe na say e wo say bibi koso.
Say pepepe na sisie na abam for women. Yen ye kind of say patriarchy ye male dominated e mema e na omudi enim e wo Ghana. Nti no achechire e ma no ahye mema no emotuam. Enti nka ne kra na man to aba. na ma yenko school wo de ane se koware na no aduane ha na hwefie ha enti saa niema no de ama ema akechire enti wo places ye ka decision making asema ema ne no so ye mema no but bintimi wo me ba mani nyi na meka se ono ame matete no no
na ko school
afede ono enim esen mi nti ono nko kasa ma me onko leading ema me nkema leading no ne obeye ofia obetumi abeye ni petitru enti it is very important to say Ghana ye be appreciate the role of ema say naturally no oba na ye leader.
Okay.
Because I don't know what to say, money, mema, many winina, camera, obia, and I'll be any petitru. And the one tears, yes, and I'll be feel say, a man should not be leaders, and a man, Uncle Sanso, to that extent. Oh, brow once, you know, but it should be with wisdom, and it should be with a purpose. And yes, I will bring once in years, and no purpose no naira. It is we a leader of your home. Utimi, uta manage, utra mo koye nema, utre ubwa ukunuma obe ye ya. And ye won't so bet me akahubi amagana aye.
Sir, and you sha, they say abba, and a dear pa na ma. Ye bet me aye, ye baby row be a no ye for a ma, and I was here the mama, and na. Equality to be obema ye biano obanso enye at this time
near Billy can say a progressive nti ye nyani nyina boom sa nti ye here national consensus na ye nyina collectively ya je tumu say this is where we want to go eye ade soronko aga na aye others have done it afena ye ya tipe history ya hiti history nti akase ye be make history no nti ehia say ye nyina ye beti bill na ase ye ti ase wi a na ema ne mema nye ma nko a I understand this say pepe you a ye ka ho asem no in the private sector ye fa nkrofo adwuma in the army TUC NCC public office baby mema emema no noso ense ma ye call board meeting a ye hia se ye behu oba ba ko na 2 na mema be 40 ubehu say leaders African leaders omokwa ubehu 2 or 3 women na mema no na age but if you look at our society a man is close to 52% nti here say yen man mema ye be gie tumu say a man with important role to play in leadership and in the development of Ghana.
They say no, no aswan sir. Then I hear catch like aka. I was see a year to push it.
Implementation. The president has say, the parliament on Swasi, any minister has say. But it's not enough. Say parliament adietum. It's not enough. Say president Eden Sasha say. Sesiano, it was say you develop implementation plan. Committee or the gender equity committee ombe monitor sa niema no. Na ye make sure say tenants niema na akan omo aka wo mu no. To say political parties omo educating man no na say omo de nkrofo okwa omo strongholds yen for omo nko ho. Yen insist say there should be a quota. But you must ensure say e mark ho bi. Polling station a police station women's organizer nko oba your friend is say constituency e be a treasurer near the account oba at the national level sir I was a women's organizer. I chose to be what I say but a woman can be a chairman or bet me general secretary I organizer it is a stereotyping no bill na ka say yenyai near making sure say baby a obema betimi lead oba nso betimi lead
amana memma no enye ya adwen say as oba no oye byway oye kuntan because ye wo a man no muchi tracks no me ade on say stereotype
ai
enti sa bill we nyina ba ye say eyi ni nyina de free ho meboa
a lot of the time no memma no insecure omusro say oba bemu a obeji na ejuma and it is partly it is true
because oba bemu obeye ni ye
number 1
no o abada ye binum ni ade nti ode no hu hyemu a hu so ye
exactly
mini me boss be sorry say me cut ono na ejuma o ye no o say accountant like the holiday a man one or do a move show. Only day I will call it my man and also on the reason they say I or no Bema or Bema Kosawa or get or yes, you kind of chair, but bad yet. So there will be bikra baby.
Women are less corrupt. I know I'm okay. And I was say Emma, you will say this is serious business. Any man until from the home until Tiana had the man. Young show say girls and boys are equal. And this girl no is in the kitchen. Na be man no share TV. And all kind of or computer so. And at that is so also your household chores.
So I think I say different
from the home. Then in the school books now ya chrono. I was here TSC say Kofi ni ama de bia na ama ebo ampe. Na o prapra no sense you. Stereotyping no. The books ni nyina was here
so.
Ni making sure say ama so kuta computer ni bi. It's a technological world. Ono so timi sua mani ye. Na say ayete say anti efu agati. Yeah. For the third time, with me, the president. And see that since independence.
It's true. No. And on the second, the vice
also.
But
that should not be news. It should be normal. Say a man to be better say, oh, the first woman to be chief of staff, the first woman to be speaker. It should be normal because. Emma,
you can't nobody
it's because your system, you know, the man, the head of everything. But it cannot be like that. It must be a jumbo or a can. Side by side, no longer men in front and women at the back. Together we shall walk side by side. There was your course side by side.
No. You do and you do a sa. And you
a buo and for mama. They appreciate it, say, am I a powerful?
Papa.
And a mama important. Nti what the power and importance ni kabo was a Ghana betumpum but for as long as a man be kechire ni de emwa Ghana nti the development of a woman is the development of the home and the development of the nation yet the enibre ehye Emma development mu a ubehu the way a Ghana besesa nti me oba bi feel say me de me nka ho ana mema ne beka say we cannot find the women omuni ho na nya na oti hoyi Emma ne wo ho hwehwe wom na yam build your capacity the same way and mema ne kwa omo ye mistakes no oba so timi ye mistake e na wabehu ne e wo say oye na yan chichire Ghana ye wehu the world is changing and we need serious thinking to change the way we do things. Old customs, you know, and akwalanko ware, and oban di egg, on read akukosre, nsem hunkwa. Sane mano. Echem. Times are changing. There is no man who wants a weak woman. Obia a strong woman.
Nana krasa me man yeso omso kwa ware peye. Aya. Ti ono so ko opo ba ono so establish. Nti sa.
Enti no. Say ye pia man no a ye be support mema ni ye. Na mema no so support is not only women supporting mema. E was mema so e support. Na mema nkai say ube wo baba. O maami yo ba. O yere so yo ba. O sister. When treat obi de yi a.
Obi so treat
o de. In the private sector
I think say mema no be so fear kakran so esa ewo ho especially say bia warefo na oba no ekọ nanimo no sometimes a mema ni bi o ho a I don't know say bia ye omo say sa adwen say aso ba be di me so ni ade nti
na me can say insecurities ye can say o twi mu ehu e wo mema mu nti omo ebinom omo ye secure we are secure you need an equally intelligent partner sir. Say we are managing director now we are managing director if you there is no competition more support mechanism for each other to say Adam and Eve and I always say this to say Senka Eve and come Adam and could be a apple now all you men will be walking around naked. Initiative of a woman is different from that of men and these are urgent times are Ghana. Yeah, develop it. You cannot leap forward when your women are behind. The affirmative action, President Sato, it's a confirmation of political will. It's a confirmation of national consensus. Say parliamentarians, 275 no mu nyina agree majority say yema affirmative action emmem na kire say Ghana ye nyina yaje etum akase ye de ye bebo deuro na je bebia cent no say prepare you for men and women abem it has come to stay enti journalists public sector private sector obia mo deuro no NCC so that the market woman the boy playing ball obia betias say affirmative action is saying there was a yeno. Then the enforcement, Ghana ya signing laws, baby. But yeah, enforcement, no, this issue of Obama airbo bano is only a bully who beats up a wife. A coward, I would say. Who how a coward will fimu. Who for? Bema ye who for? On you who on no boneba. No ba bet me abo. She and yonko Bema is here on to me. Anything you need strong women. No, because oh your ba or there and just oh yeah jata. A trust would you ho ye Emma Ufiefo.
Young family politics mo. Who say Oba oh your politics hardcore politics. Yeah. Dear no ye you were near Targo. And I say and no crowd with now and I'll be penonnet sadly madam. I hope says I'll be winning our bar a be year free one timma any class or bar and this should be a banmo.
Negative attitudes no will be some of the challenges bill no ebe address because attitudes na way you team from mofrasi traditions and customs no e doso nti e hopa na implementation no sensitization to change the mindset of both women and men. Say it is okay for a woman to be a leader. It is okay for a woman to be in politics and speak out. Otimi yesa eno na be boama ufie ejina yie ama oman no so etumpom yie enti challenges ni bi nso ka ho say political parties no omo suro say omo ma ema no sa chance na mema na omo ye MPs no some of them might lose their seats but whatever happens somebody will lose and somebody will come in enti bill no so ka say by 2024 yes. By 2028 and 2030 yes it was say finally e hona ye benya parity but higher progressive no ye be no first 30 so by 2028 then now ye dey 35 and sana ye parity in terms of percentage they are making sure say ye ne kakra na private sector oba e maternity ni say affecting no employment was say crash ni niema wo ho
oba dru ne bosomi no problem ni kwa say no affect no enu nti kura obi fe adwuma o pe workers also on pemma oba benyim oba bosomi be so hwa na ne bia ne
na wanyima nka wote ho
say we nyina ya kan hye trim na ya mama kan hye nti oba kura ko school bebre kura oba kura do ko school bebre kura ko ye
that mentality
aba betina kitchen
nti was say yes I want a Ghana me bag girl obe feel comfortable so obetimi akoye anything that she wants to do. I want my grandchildren omoye mani mema omo ate omo ho ase say oba ye leader okay America they are looking for a woman Germany omo amfo oba Tanzania so omo amfo oba I really believe that it is possible in Ghana say ma benya kwan aye leaders na say ye ma kwan you need to break down the doors. Say door no etum break it down aye wo committee na say akonwa ni ho a ka kire be ma no ladies first ente sa fa wa akonwa ekoho eni bra sama ba
de ho de yenya sa ladies first.
Oh yes aye yeah you must take both aye and then the other thing is that we must get out of the boat and walk on water. Make it say Jesus na enkrofo so say enti no ehu na e wo ye mu no e wo say e ye daring
e dey o mbeka ho asem enti wo dey
e wo say ye daring ne ye courageous. This is the destiny of hope at play. Sabili emaye hope emaye nkranhye but we must actualize it.
But ye can say then ye beka kire ma ye ho because some emma bi wo ho no ma yenya tumi nom ne ade a yesuban po nti eno so e wo ho in as much as say ade na ba nti e wo se yesi no bi wo ho no ma ya na ye downplay e bi no mo me matin nipa ba ku mienu bi a because oyo oba no oyo boss nti no be ma no ba mi so o kasa mo di kan ka respect embra nti den na ya nkasa so ye kan e de ma ye ho
also ji ohudi as a woman that you are a special gift, who's a present. Una we a gift. We are the vessel of creation. Without woman, there will be no man or woman.
Not at all.
Until I was with you, who the ones who now what it we nurture the society. Until one do hundi and that's the other thing, education. The shia unko school cry, ultimate call adult education. Now we see how to read so that you broaden your mind. What you say? Education takes you to the next level. Until believing in yourself, being more confident will come from education. You become more confident. That is needed. And then look for from destiny helpers. Anyway, you can't do it alone. For normal so not it ma say omunyina ye pet. Nti edwuma na ewo fie no ye nyina ye
wenye be ma
men ka say me buy when you 16 onko ware ana 18 onko ware adan obetimi akoye ne masters obetimi akoye PhD or whatever she wants to do. The sky is just the beginning. It's not the limit for women. Sesiano the world belongs to all of us. Obi nsi obi moja enye blue ye nyina ye red sabi obi akọ toilet obi atan ebon. You understand? And men are not better than women. Wonu aduane men for the best part ma be ma no wozu wudi be ye wona wo bre. You know what I mean? Happy yourself, confident yourself, believe in yourself, joy yourself, and make yourself the woman that you were meant to be, so that you can bring up your children well, to develop your home and your community, so that you can support your man well, and your man must also support you well. What you are saying? Oba nya second to Bema. We are not subsidiaries. We are all the same. Nyame boy. Say yemra na yemme boy ho. And that is nation building. And as we do that, we use a Ghana ebe tumpong near the entemapa Ifra. Enu ni here. Let's respect each other and let us understand the say. No man can be in existence without a woman. Not at all. Not even the test tube baby. What in American I say? And see, am I powerful? Very powerful? You must understand that power. Say, to me, you cry. Yeah, and remember, no, am I feeling say you're powerful? But it is to their disadvantage. The more you allow the woman to be powerful, the more important you will be. I feel over from Mura, not the name for team. Now why fine? No auto shirt to show. No boy with the chop money. Maybe I'm balancing. Obama balance.
It is not late. Sabia, you go so try say bedi drink. Normally I drink. No, you started from home.
Yes.
You started from sorry.
You
started from school. Yes.
And you home so.
Yeah, kasa. Yeah. Country, you say no. I want to be this. I can do this. Maybe I'm late. Oh
no. It's better late than never. Aye.
But what you say, the baby I'm late. Yeah, that's it.
Miss me that must say. Aye.
Kakrana wa fire. Me sure so baby to one why tell me that. And then come we I inspire.
Now what mean you say 9 months. Now for what?
I did show baby. Baby.
Oh yeah, practice. You'll be okay. Remember no. My practice still okay. This is our time. The girl child I will share me. We are Ghana ba. We are Yasantwa. We are Dachi Hima. Ain't no shaking
at all.
You feel good about yourself, about being a woman, because without you there is no world.
No.
The sky is your beginning. Reach out for your goals and fight for your rights. Right no fa hudino emobi sisiu ne fata be ma efata o ne fata obi ade mi chia ni discrimination and there should be no violence against you. I will be accepted. Say be ma boa odo debi enya odo eye abuse be bia so a obo oba na oye bully oye coward nti wo twan oda na won so aye ne wo se wo ye. Have a good day.
Saza, yeah, that's Papa Panti, Madam Otiko Afisa Jaba, Kane na oye Minister for Gender. Na osaye MPP, Women's Organizer. Nti ono de ba na ma na dia. edana koma so kaya yefo ne yenuanom yi disabled sa na no ewo ho
the Henujaba Memorial Foundation
na chess na we chess na no adom da so de ba
kakra but e was a sign campaign no for more wheelchairs
em fan support you mo ti em fancy ya oduma wo ye nyina Ghana hu onyame so hwe wo obehwe so no akoso ahira wo
amen
why you fefefe se ya
amen
I'm sure you da se enti enne no saudi on sa wo da ho na wutie mane njinja o sorry na first start from efie o ma no ba ne be ma no mo nyina nya bibia bi aduane akra no so obetwitwa bibia wo de mane twitwa so ye be ma no mo nhua daache ye nyina ho anse ye nyina ye ne ye wo se ye de boa o mine ema ye powerful emema ye important nti said o kan ye no se mienu ni behia won se ye be koyenim so mine kasa bi eni akire ne kwa ba mo another one so ho ye ba ye beto so